Have you ever wondered how much it costs to get a divorce in California? Well, I'm going to explain in this video right now. Hi, I'm Gerald Maggio. I'm a divorce and family law attorney in Orange County, and in this video I'm going to show you the costs involved with getting a divorce in California. Getting a divorce is not free, and there are definite costs involved with getting a divorce. The first cost associated with your case is going to be hiring an attorney and paying an initial retainer. A retainer is an amount of money that you will pay your attorney that will be put into a trust account, and from that money, the attorney is going to be paying for expenses and paying for the legal fees associated with your divorce case. The initial retainer is used to pay for various expenses, including court filing fees, postage, and other related expenses, as well as the work involved with getting your case done. The next cost involved with your divorce case is the preparation of the initial divorce paperwork. Filing with the court includes paying filing fees to the court, and both parties, both the petitioner and the respondent, pay the same fees to the court to file their initial paperwork. If you have retained an attorney, these filing fees will be paid out of your initial retainer. The third set of costs involved in your divorce case is the preparation of something called your preliminary declaration of disclosure. That is essentially a financial disclosure. That cost involved can vary depending on how complex your case is, how many assets and debts you and your spouse have, and all that needs to be prepared properly, clearly, and with full disclosure. The next set of costs in a divorce case don't always have to happen. Each party has to decide on something called discovery, which is whether certain documents should be requested from the other party, whether certain questions should be propounded to the other party to respond to, and so on. Whether subpoenas should be issued, whether depositions should be taken. All this is called this discovery process. Not every case requires that. If yours does, and that's determined to be the case by your attorney, this is something that will have to be factored into the cost of your divorce case. The fifth and potentially largest aspect of your divorce case is actual litigation. If your case is one that cannot settle out of court and there's issues of having to go to court either for temporary orders or go to trial for permanent orders, that cost can be substantial depending on the amount of work involved. And so this is something that will have to be discussed and determined with you and your attorney to figure out what is appropriate to be done and what is needed, and you should factor that into the total cost of your divorce case because litigation can certainly be very expensive. The final cost in a divorce case is a divorce judgment and the preparation thereof. You either get a divorce judgment by coming to an agreement with your spouse or going to court, going to trial, and getting a final order from the court on a whole host of issues that may be relevant in your case. Either way, a divorce judgment has to be prepared and filed with the court. And so that judgment can take some time, should be done properly, should be done by an attorney that knows what they're doing, knows the proper language to be included, because you want to have a complete, full judgment that says everything that it's supposed to say so that you don't have any problems in the future. That costs some time and money to do, but you want to have it done right, and you want to have that done by an attorney. In general, the average amount of time to get a divorce completed in California is about 6 to 12 months. However, if there are litigated issues in your case, it certainly can go beyond 6 months. It can go beyond a year. It could go 2 years, depending on how contentious your divorce case is. If you should find yourself facing divorce or know somebody who does or will be, please feel free to contact our firm to set up a free consultation to go through your case and take the next step. After doing this for 24 years, here's what I know. The earlier you act, the better your case outcome is going to be. I'm Gerald Maggio, Orange County divorce attorney. If you like what you see on this video, feel free to click on the link at the end of this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful information.